Hi, I'm Ravi Gidamal. I lead a business called Edge Digital Manufacturing. We're a small digital transformation consultancy. We work primarily in the manufacturing sector. Over the last few years, as well as the consultancy we do with clients, we've also developed online tools. We applied for the Hartree Collaborative Data Project because we saw this as a great opportunity to invest some focused time with some specialist experts to try to answer some of these questions we had around AI and data science. We developed an online diagnostic tool, and what we've been exploring with the team at Hartree is what are the best ways to take that unstructured data and to take words that a client might tell us about their business, but to actually start to draw out from that really good insights, to link those insights with our digital readiness framework, and effectively to enable it to feed into a more personalized, valuable, insight-driven response for the clients. So we've been exploring how we can make the diagnostic more of a self-service consultancy tool that companies can access 24/7. We've been looking at natural language and chatbot interfaces. We've also been looking at how we can use AI to provide more personal, more bespoke answers. We're really keen to start to test this with some of our clients, but also with some of the programs that we work with. So we're hoping we can take this prototype and start to actually validate it by using it alongside the work that a real consultant or advisor would do without the computer, and then we can compare and contrast and hopefully get it to a point where we're confident enough to unleash the tool so companies can access it directly. The support has been really good. It's been a mix of discovery conversations and workshop settings where we're really sort of wrestling with different areas or aspects of our challenge. But what's also been good is the Hartree team then took away some of our ideas and invested their own time and resources to come up with the next stage or the next sort of evolution of the technology. And I think what's been really good about that is it's been having someone external and outside of the business, almost working on your own business challenge, and then you come back together and you compare what's been achieved and give feedback and look at where you may take that next. So it's been a really cool partnership, but also really helpful, I think, to have people who are not day to day in the business working on things that are specific to your business.